What's up, everybody? We are back at the beach. Say, everybody.
Oh,
Woo!
he's vlogging.
Woo! Say hi.
Beach day number.
Yes, beach day. Hello. Beach day. What day is today?
I don't even know.
Wednesday. Wednesday.
Do we count Saturdays?
Well, it was half day.
Day 3.5.
3.5. Yes, but we are down here at the beach and it feels good. Boys, are you excited about today? Is that fun? Look at that. Lincoln's finally warming up to the sand. I'm hoping that we get started early today so that way he is feeling good, because the last time we were out here he didn't get excited about the sand until we were leaving. So anyway, we are gonna hang out here, eat some lunch first, and have a good day out by the water. Hey, Beckham, you excited?
You got a truck there, Beckham?
We're gonna get started with eating before we get all sandy and gross.
How is it, Mace? Good sandwich?
Everybody gave him the second look.
How is it?
Sand free right now.
Okay, bring your another bite? Just bring your mouth over here. Everyone else is here. Woo! Not everyone.
Party's here.
Some of the party. You did good, Mace.
No one brought mega tent.
There you go. Oh, is the other one bigger?
Second tent. No
Mason
way.
caught a fish.
You serious?
Oh my goodness. He's showing all the people on the beach.
Showing strangers.
What he caught.
I caught a fish.
Aw, he's so excited. He really wanted to catch a fish in that net.
Mace!
Mason, you caught
Yeah, that's the net that you got him.
Are you serious?
Let me see!
All by himself.
Oh my goodness!
Mason!
Let's see.
Oh my gosh, go show him!
Let's see.
How in the world?
Wait, where is it? Oh my goodness.
you do it?
Mason!
What? Show me where the fish was.
Let's see. Oh. Okay, you better go set him free soon.
That is amazing. Let me see real quick.
Wow.
I can't believe it!
That's so cool, Mason.
Oh, I don't know if I would put it right.
Wow.
Woo! Mason's first fish.
Our son is a fisherman.
He didn't even use a fishing pole.
You are a little fish.
Do you see anything
You are
cool?
a fish.
Did you see anything cool under there?
Yes.
Yeah? What?
Not yet.
Not yet. Oh, okay.
Not yet.
What do you think, Link?
Seriously?
You saw 2 fish?
Yes.
Wow. What do you think, Lincoln? What do you think about the ocean? Is it cool? Hi. You caught another one? Let me see. Oh, he got away.
Double catch it. Double catch it.
What are you guys doing? You chilling after showers? Just doing little goofy sounds? You are silly. All right, just got back to the house. I have got the house to myself. Just kidding, Ashton's over there. What's up, Ashton? Hey. You know, it's a little hard to vlog all of the things at the beach when you've got 3 little kids. Ashley had the camera for a little bit, and then I was out in the water with the boys, and then like an hour or 2 later, it's like, all right, we gotta get everything packed up into the car, and that's a process. Got a tent, big chairs, cooler, multiple bags. It's like we're moving out to the beach, I don't know. So that's why all of a sudden now I'm here. Got showered, the boys are taking a nap, thankfully, and we're gonna have a fun evening ahead of us. So I'm gonna hang out now for a little bit while Ashley's still getting ready. Just try and relax a little bit. Dinner time.
Time to eat.
Some good food, pasta,
Yeah, girl.
salad.
Yeah,
We got
yeah.
Olive Garden dressing. I feel
Oh,
like
yeah.
when you're here, you're family.
That was so good. That was deep.
I'm embarrassed for
Just like the commercial.
I may have seen one too many Olive Garden commercials.
Time to eat
Look at that, look at that.
some good food.
Sorry.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All of our boys have no shirts on today because we don't want them getting anything on their white shirts.
We're taking pictures after this, so we gotta keep the clothes clean.
What's that? Is that garlic?
Nobody's spilling anything on my white shirt either.
Are you getting naked?
Oh, I'm sorry.
How's the meeting today?
Hi.
It was good, except for...
Did they call on you for...
What can I get you?
All right, guys, we are finished with dinner. Everyone is all dressed up and we're going to take pictures on the beach, but that's also kind of a distraction. A surprise is happening. We really are taking pictures on the beach, but we are really having a surprise bridal shower for my cousin. Danae is getting married next month, and since we're all together, we're gonna have a bridal shower for her on the beach, and I'm so excited. I don't think she has any idea what's going on.
I don't honestly know.
I don't think so. She just thinks that we're all going down to the beach to take pictures, but we have a little something set up for her. My mom and aunt and uncle have been down there already setting up, and the rest of us are on the way, so it's gonna be a fun night. Y'all look so handsome. Wow.
Yep, sure is.
But it looks like a different beach.
It is a different beach. Well, it's the same beach.
Oh, wow!
Wow.
They painted.
They painted?
Let's go on this tip and one
Yeah.
on this.
Let's go. Oh my goodness. Look. How fun. Look, we have a fire going. Come on.
Yeah, I smell that.
You smell it? Oh my goodness. Ah, it's so cool! I know, I'm like, wait a minute. That's the, oh my goodness. So we knew that we were having a surprise shower for my cousin, but we didn't know it was this. This is amazing. We were also surprised.
I know. Look, it's so cool.
Okay, my cousin is here. They're going to get her. This is so cool. We knew that we were having a surprise shower for her on the beach, but we thought it was just like, we were setting up a few things, because we like rented out this whole space and we have a bonfire.
Hey, big boy. Is this fun? You got sand in your toes? Oh.
Okay, we should probably go do pictures really fast. Turn around today. Yes.
I'm not getting married in like 5 minutes.
Surprise!
Peter's here with his wedding right now. I was loving it.
We got the bonfire.
We've got a bonfire. Zach, isn't this awesome?
This is pretty sweet.
Very cool. We got the sunset. The weather's amazing. This is so exciting.
We won't do that big of a surprise.
beach with the family, and now we're about to start roasting marshmallows, opening gifts, and having a good time with everybody. This is awesome. This is my kind of beach weather, where it just feels so nice and windy, and windy is the wrong word. It's just a nice temperature. The sun's not beating down, making me all sandy and sticky, which is the least favorite part about the beach. So it feels really good. We'll go hang out and have some fun.
No. She says no. No! So what is it? Pink. Alright, sorry Peter.
Don't worry, they're not married yet. They got a few more months, or a few more weeks.
He wants to get to know each other.
Don't worry, she just made that up on the fly.
If Danae was stranded on a desert island and allowed one luxury item besides her phone, what would it be? Ricky!
Yay! What do you got there, bud? All right, careful, not too close. Remember how to do this?
Let's see it. You needed a little black though. That's a real simple one.
Oh, heck no. That's gross.
All black?
A little burnt? No way. That's
You gotta
gross.
put it on fire a little bit.
No, you and my dad.
You got to.
That's
don't
right.
like it burned?
Here, put it in though. Put it in. Let's see it, Mace.
I kind of inhaled all.
That's good. That's good. And guys,
We're finding crabs.
crabs.
He got a big one.
Yeah, I kind of have them stuck in there.
Oh, it's very. Get him? Yes!
All right, now we
Let's
need
see.
something on top of the...
We are crab hunting with our phones, flashlights, and with no buckets. It's gonna be very interesting. Also, our camera card filled up, so phone time. Oh, he just buried himself.
All right, I'll get him out. Give him more. All right, now we put them together for a picture. All right, someone get it.
Okay, so we're playing cornhole.
Yes.
Hey, we're playing cornhole.
Yes.
Mason's catching crabs. We're playing cornhole.
Oh yeah, I touched 100 crabs.
100? You can count that high? You probably can.
Impressive.
All right, so Courtney,
I catch 80.
80. Well, that's a more reasonable number, I guess. Courtney and I are playing cornhole, and she wanted.
Guess how many times I beat Brandon?
She,
We're at 3 right now. We're at 3 right now. So I currently am just a better cornhole player than Brandon, so
I don't know if I agree with this. We're gonna play again right here. We're gonna face off.
let's just know I've won 3 times.
We're gonna do the first to 11 here, just the two of us.
All right.
We're going. Ready? Let's go.
sign off with me. We got to celebrate her tonight and it was so fun. She's getting married in how many weeks?
Under 7.
Under 7.
Yeah.
And we're so excited. And it was the best night ever. And now to end the night, we're going to go watch Father of the Bride.
If we can find it.
If we can
We will find it.
how
Where
to
there's a
watch
will,
it.
there's a way.
We'll find a way. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video if you do like it. If you don't, still like it, you know. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Peace out. Congratulations. High five.